Get ready for massive shifts in the tech world. Jim Cramer just dropped a huge prediction about Alphabet, and you do not want to miss this. We're talking about a revolutionary AI ecosystem poised to reshape the global economy. And the key insight comes from how some of the richest people on the planet are positioning themselves right now. This is a game changer for every investor, and we're breaking down exactly what this means for your portfolio.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to hold it with one hand? The PopSocket's Pop Grip gives you a secure grip, works as a phone stand, and even lets you swap the top for a fresh new look. Simple, useful, and perfect for everyday phone use. Click the link in the comments to grab yours on Amazon.
Next up, we dive deep into the massive momentum building around Alphabet itself. Alphabet has just delivered a standout Q1, crushing expectations across the board, with cloud revenue surging and the Gemini API usage skyrocketing. We'll examine the staggering $460 billion cloud backlog and the aggressive growth in their AI initiatives to see if this is the foundation for a multi-trillion-dollar future. But wait, there's more. We are looking at the broader landscape where Alphabet is thriving. We're exploring how Alphabet's momentum is fueling a significant wave within the S&P 500 growth sector, showing just how central this company is to the current market surge. This is the story of mainstream tech dominance and how it's setting the pace for everyone else. And finally, we wrap up with the big picture analysis on Alphabet's trajectory. We're looking at the long-term projections, the potential upside, and the risks involved in this AI-driven journey. Don't miss this crucial breakdown. Subscribe now to get all the exclusive insights and take control of your investment future. Wall Street analysts and industry leaders are intensely focused on the transformative potential of generative artificial intelligence, with predictions pointing toward a massive economic shift. Elon Musk recently projected that by 2040, there could be 10 billion humanoid robots, priced between $20,000 and $25,000, potentially valuing the technology at $250 trillion. This monumental wave is not expected to be confined to a single entity, but is poised to reshape global business, government, and consumer operations. While major consulting firms like PwC and McKinsey acknowledge the multi-trillion-dollar potential of AI, insiders suggest that the key to unlocking this revolution lies within a single, currently under-owned company possessing crucial, super-cheap AI technology that rivals should be concerned about. This insight suggests that the focus should shift beyond established giants like NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Microsoft to a smaller player quietly developing the foundational technology. Market sentiment among hedge funds and top investors is rapidly shifting, positioning wealthy individuals across Silicon Valley and Wall Street behind this emerging opportunity. Experts suggest that this overlooked company holds the key to the $250 trillion future, implying that owning its stock in the near future could yield extraordinary returns. The report emphasizes the urgency of this discovery, urging investors to act quickly before the information becomes widely known and the opportunity is exhausted. The content promotes an exclusive, members-only report offering in-depth analysis of this game-changing AI stock, alongside a premium newsletter subscription for access to ongoing investment research and exclusive insights. The Nasdaq index is currently drawing significant attention amidst varied market activity, according to recent reports from Calcane Media. Market participants are closely monitoring several key sectors and individual stocks that are shaping the index's trajectory. Key areas of focus include the earnings strength of major industrial players, with speculation centering on whether Honeywell's recent earnings performance is influencing the movement of Nasdaq futures. Furthermore, momentum is building within the biotechnology sector, highlighted by the market interest surrounding Syndax Pharmaceuticals. On the technology front, Fox Corporation is trending higher on the top Nasdaq stocks watchlist, indicating positive sentiment in that segment. Looking toward the future, clean energy demand is positioning First Solar in the spotlight as analysts assess how these environmental factors will shape the overall Nasdaq composite. These developments underscore a dynamic market environment characterized by strong sector-specific drivers and evolving investment narratives. Alphabet Inc. GOOG has delivered a stellar first quarter, driving significant investor confidence and sparking substantial upside potential, according to recent analyst assessments. The company reported Q1 2026 EPS of $5.11, vastly exceeding the consensus estimate of $2.63 by 94.1%. Revenue reached $109.9 billion, growing 21.79% year-over-year, with operating margins expanding to 36.1%. The primary catalyst for this performance was the cloud segment, which surged by 63% to $20.028 billion. Crucially, the cloud backlog has doubled to over $460 billion, providing robust, multi-year revenue visibility that underpins the company's aggressive capital expenditure strategy. Furthermore, advancements in the Gemini AI suite are accelerating. Gemini API usage climbed 60% to 16 billion tokens per minute, and Gemini Enterprise paid monthly active users grew 40% quarter-over-quarter, with paid subscriptions reaching 350 million. Meanwhile, Waymo surpassed 500,000 autonomous rides per week. Search revenue also posted a 19% growth, demonstrating resilience amid AI competition fears. Analyst sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with 63 out of 69 ratings being buy or strong buy and 0 sell recommendations. One prominent analyst has issued a buy recommendation with a 90% confidence level, setting a 24/7 wall cent price target of $460 for Alphabet, implying a 20.44% upside over the next 12 months, with the current trading price at $381.94. However, the analysis highlights significant risks. Alphabet's guidance for 2026 capital expenditure, projected between $175 billion and $185 billion, introduces an ROI risk if AI monetization fails to achieve sustained growth exceeding 40% into 2027. The bear case centers on potential margin compression if infrastructure spending outpaces revenue growth. Looking ahead, the bullish scenario projects Alphabet could reach a price target of $673.60 by 2030, assuming continued execution across Cloud, Gemini, and Waymo. Conversely, regulatory actions or a failure in AI search monetization could present downside risks. The consensus remains a strong buy, driven by the massive cloud backlog acting as a key moat. Market analysis indicates a strong upward momentum building within Alphabet, aligning with the broader S&P 500 growth wave. This positive trend is occurring amidst a dynamic market landscape featuring several key sector movements. Attention is also being focused on individual company performance and emerging industry trends. Recent reports highlight specific areas of market interest, including inquiries into whether Honeywell's earnings strength is impacting NASDAQ futures and the upward trajectory of Fox Corporation within the top NASDAQ stocks watchlist. Furthermore, the biotechnology sector is demonstrating increasing momentum, evidenced by significant market attention drawn to Syndax Pharmaceuticals. In the clean energy space, First Solar is under the microscope as growing demand for renewable energy shapes the trajectory of the NASDAQ composite. These developments underscore a market characterized by both large-cap stability and focused growth in specialized sectors.